Okay, let me review. Let's warm up a little bit. This is lesson 8D. 8D is about function operations and compositions. Function operation is the one we already learned, but now we just the name of it. Composition is the new thing. So two parts, yeah. Oh, forgot. Okay, can we finish the lesson first? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, forgot. Completely forgot. Yeah, so when we after we finish the lesson, maybe we can put those person on the ball, we can work together. Just enjoy have fun, go around the room. I hope you remember this. Okay. Do you remember this? One of the tests. Like when you're adding polynomials and subtracting polynomials. Remember this? Yeah. You just need to combine that terms. Remember? Not distribute. Distribute is somewhere is, and also this one as well. So we have like 2x plus 3 and time 2x squared, something like this. How we do this? Before, how we do this? We have plus between these two. Does plus matter? Does it change any sign? No, right? So if I want to get rid of parentheses, actually we write down like without parentheses because this is plus. So plus ax cubed. So no friend gonna do that, huh? No. All right, now what I'm gonna do? Combine that terms. Remember, combine that term. Just combine that term. Combine that terms. So x4, I only have one x4. X cubed. Do I have any x cubed? Oh yeah, I have two x cubed right here, right? So combine that term. What is negative 3x cubed plus 8x cubed? 5x cubed. Very good. Next one, I have 2x. Do we have any other x? No, only one. So 2x. And last one is number. I have two number right here. 7 plus 2 is 9. And that's the answer. Do you remember doing this? Yeah. So we add them. The question before is adding two polynomials. Right? Unit this is unit 8, unit 6, I think, yeah. Number 2. What happens when you have the negative? How can I get rid of parentheses with a negative on the front like this? What change? Hmm? The symbol on the A section. What do you mean? So okay, I'll rewrite this one first. Okay, 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7. And then what do I need to do when you see a negative in the front? You're gonna flip all the side, right? You flip all the side. Like you distribute -1, you can think like that too, but you flip all the side. So this is 4x. I have a negative, so now become negative 4x. This is positive 2, but I have the negative in the front. So what does it become? Negative 2, yes. Good. That's subtract polynomials. And now combine like term. Do we have any like terms here? Square only have one square. X, I only have one x. Or number, I have two numbers. So combine like term. I do combine like terms. Like I find the one that I like. X cubed, there's no x cubed, so only x cubed. X squared, there's no x squared, so only it. And then x, only negative 4x, there's nothing else. Number, I have 7 and negative 2. So what is 7 minus 2? 5. Yep. That's 7. That's 7. Remember this? And also, this is also the same section when we learn this. What do we want to do? We redistribute. So 4x times 2x times 2x squared is 4x x 2x times 2x squared.
Raise the zero doubles. This is time, double time.
Let's just gonna go like this right now. Okay. 4x cubed, right? And then what next? What is 3 times 2x squared? 6x squared. Do you remember this? Yeah.
Have you heard about the term?
Okay, so what is the difference between today and the last time? Last time we're doing this, but we don't have the name. Today I give you something, I will call this is f of x. I call this is tx. Yeah, I just give a name. Today I just give a name. I give f of x equal to this, and then t of x is equal to this. And I ask you what is f of x plus t of x. Then you're gonna do this. So does it make sense? Like I give you the name. Before I didn't give you the name. Now I give you this polynomial, the name is f of x. This polynomial, the name is t of x. And I ask you what is the f of x plus t of x. We're gonna add them together. Like exactly the same like this. Yeah. So that's the function operation today. Like everything we already did before. But just now we have a name of it. So like f of x is 5x, g of x is x plus 2. Now you're gonna find for me what is f plus g of x. F of f minus g of x. What is f times g of x? And what is f divided by g of x? Yeah. Basically the same thing we have been doing. We just now we have a name of it. Okay, can we move on?
No.
Okay. Okay. Like now I give you, oh, do you know how to read this? F of x. Okay. That's how you read this. F of x. F of x. That's how you read it. So f of x is 5x. G of x is x plus 2. And I ask you to find what is f plus g. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I ask you to find f plus g. You just add them. You just add them. Yeah. So f of x is 5x. G of x is x plus 2. Exactly what we have been doing. We've been even we did like even more complicated one. So it's equal to 5x plus. Do I change anything? Do I change the sign anything? Do I change the sign of x and 2? No, because this is a plus, right? I don't change the sign. I don't flip the sign. So positive x is still positive x. Positive 2 is still positive 2. Yeah. Can you see the green color? Is it light? Can you see it? Or you want darker color? Okay. Today some project we should use marine. 5x plus x. What is 5x plus x? Huh?
Oh no.
5x square? 5x plus x.
I mean,
5 square, 5 cube. Oh, you are very creative. 6x, 6x. Like okay, 5 smiley face plus 1 smiley face. What is how many smiley face you have? 6 smiley face, right? Same thing. 5x plus x is 6x plus 2. There's nothing else. So that's the answer.
what about the expression?
The x, this one?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, here? Oh, good question. This one, very good question. This one is not multiplication, okay? This one is just say, what is f plus g of x? Like this,
oh.
like this. Yeah, similar to this. It's just showing what is the variable we're talking about, but not multiplication. Very good question. Just say that. Okay. F minus g. So what we're gonna do? We just subtract them. Yeah, subtract them. 5x minus x plus 2. Okay, 5x. Do I change the sign of the inside here?
Yes.
Yes, because the front is negative. So that's why I need to flip the sign of this. This is positive, so I need to flip it to become negative. This is positive, so I need to flip it become negative because of negative in the front. What is 5x minus x? 4x minus 2. That's the answer. So if you take a note on a separate paper, you need to make sure you combine them, okay? Keep them. Don't lose it. All right, multiply f times g of x. That means you just multiply them. So x plus 2. How can I do this? 5x times x is 5x times 2 is 10x. Very good. That's it. So nothing new, nothing new. We just have the name. Now we just have the name. The new one would be composition. That's the second part. All right, divide. F divided by f divided by g of x. So f is 5x divided by g is x plus 2. You can stop right here. Okay, you can stop right here. Unless I ask you to do some synthetic division, long division to calculate this, but I won't. So just stop right here. You can stop right here. Can you erase this? Yeah. Do we have more field trip next week? Like, did you go to any other school?
I think it's one thing.
Okay. I heard that you like they still have like 9 field trip or something like or to the other school. Yeah, you are.
Will you always give us something?
Yeah, I always give you this too. I always give you this too so that you can calculate for me what is this plus this.
You gotta find all of that.
Because I need to find all of this, you need to find all of this. Yes.
So just the direction of.
Yeah, just depending on the direction. What do I ask you? You need to answer that. Okay. Right, so the 2. All right. Use this. Alan. So I give you f of x, g of x, h of x. What is the f plus g? But now you have a number. Okay, we're gonna help you. So let's find what is f plus g first. What is f plus g? You have x squared and plus the 10. Yes. And now whenever you see x, you're going to replace by what number? 2. Yes. Whenever you see x, now you replace it by 2. Because I asked you to find evaluate at 2. So whenever you see x here, I'm going to replace by 2. Minus 2 times x plus 10. Okay, so what is 2 squared? 4. Oh, wait. 2 squared is 4, and then 2 times 2 is also 4 plus 10. So 4 and 4 they cancel out, so I have left 10. So the answer is 10. Easy, right? Straightforward. Now I just have number. All right, next. I'll say, oh, I forgot to take attendance. Elizabeth, f minus h at 3. So f is, oh, sorry, yeah. Okay, Elizabeth, continue. So x squared minus 2x minus what? Right, minus 6 over x. And then whenever I see x, I'm going to replace it by 3. So 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 6 over 3. All right, 3 squared is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 9 minus 6 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 8. That's me. Yeah, that's multiplication. If you don't have, if there's nothing between, that's also multiplication. So f times h. What is f? What is h? H. Over x. Yeah. And what do you do next? You can also plug it in right now, or you can distribute first. But you can plug it in. Actually, you can plug it in. When you plug it in, is easier to not make a mistake. So plug it in. So x squared, I plug it in -2. -2 squared minus 2 times -2. And then outside I have 6 over -2. So the red color is where I plug it in x. Okay. What I meant is you can distribute this, or you can plug it in the -2 right away. I think if you plug it in, it's easier for you to not make a mistake, because when you distribute this, you may make a mistake. So -2 square is that 4 or -4? Who say 4? Our question is -2 square. What is this? Is it positive 4 or -4? Who say positive 4? Who say -4? Good. Is it positive 4? Because in the parenthesis right here, so the power 2 apply to the negative as well. Like, let me just go over here. Negative times -2. So it's positive 4. But if you don't have a parenthesis, the square only applies to number 2. So you have 2 times 2, and negative is still outside. and that is -4. That's difference. They are different. So this is 4. What is -2 times -2? Huh? 4. Positive 4. What is 6 divided by -2? -3, yeah. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you have a negative. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8. What is 8 times -3?
-24.
Very good. I think you got very good at calculation. Right, you don't need calculator at all. Maybe no calculator for the test. No, just kidding, just kidding. And now you like, oh, I'm not gonna calculate anything. G over H. Okay, next. Samantha. G over H. So G is 10. I heard that someone said -25 something. I'm like, where is it come from? What is H? 6 over X. Okay. Again, if you want to simplify this, it's easy for you to make a mistake because we have a specific number. So it's easier to just plug it in. It's easier to not make a mistake. So 6 over 3. What is 6 over 3?
10 over 2.
Huh?
Wait.
Oh yeah. Okay. No. He correct. He jumped the next step. 6 over 3 is 2, right? 6 over 3 is 2, and then 10 over 2. That's why he says 10 over 2.
Let me see, you should have Mr. X next to it.
Oh yeah. Let me turn it down. Okay, let me rewrite this one. It's 6 over X right here. Better. Yeah. All right, and then what is 10 over 2?
5.
5. Great. So we done the part 1. That's it for the part 1. Easy, right? Yeah? Huh? Like 5 parts? I'm just kidding, 2 parts. All right. Let me erase this. All right. This is composition. That's a new thing. You're gonna learn about function composition. That's a new. Oh, I forgot to ask one question. Do you think when we add the function, when we do some function operation, do we change the domain? Think about this. The domain. Okay, my question is, my beautiful people, pay attention. My question is, so you have 3 functions, right? You have the domain for each one. So if I do the operation like this, I add them, or subtract them, or multiply them, or divide them, do I change the domain? When I add 2 functions, does it change the domain? Do you think so? Who say yes? When I subtract 2 functions, do I change the domain? Yeah, let's pay attention here. Mariam. My question is, I want you to answer my question. Do you think the function operation gonna change the domain of the original one? Is the new function? Is this new function gonna change the domain, or it doesn't change the domain? When you add 2 functions, does it change the domain? Does it change any domain? Let's change the domain. No, right? When you add 2 functions, it doesn't change. How about you subtract them? Does it change the domain? No, domain is still the same. There's no change because you add them, subtract them, it's still the same domain. How about you multiply them? Does it change domain? No. How about you divide them? Do you change it? Yes. Good. Why you change the domain? The fraction. The bottom cannot be 0, right? So maybe you can write a quick note over here. So So the new function like x, let's say the new function.
This, oh, that's another.
Function operation
Yeah, this is not-
doesn't change the domain. Except division. So all function operation is in chain domain except division. Because the bottom function cannot be zero. Okay. Because now when you divide two functions, the bottom one cannot be zero. So that's the only chain on in the domain. We continue over here, okay? We continue over here. Part 2. Function composition. You're gonna see something like this. That is the new one. You're like, what is that? Is that fork? So we have F, and then you have a little small O between them. Like different, that is different from multiplication. Multiplication, you don't have anything between them, or you have like just a dot between them. That means you multiply them. But when you see like a big O like this, I mean a little O like this, that is composition. So what is composition? How can we do this? It's also equal to this. And what does it mean is, okay, ready? Function composition is, you're gonna plug in the closest function to x. What is the closest one to x? G, right? You're gonna plug in G into F. I will explain what does it mean, but you want to plug in G into F, okay? So you plug in the closest function to F, function to X, to the further one. I will explain what does it mean. So you plug in the closest function to X to the further one. That means, what is the closest one to X? G. And the further one is F, right? So you're gonna plug in G into F. I'm gonna explain what does that mean. Let me know when you ready. They did this all day, every single period. Okay, ready? We're almost done. We're almost done. Just do a sample for this one. Because as long as you understand it, I don't need to give you a lot of sample. Oh, there part 3. Part 3 is zero. Okay. Composition is when you plug it in. So if I ask you to find using the same symbol as number 1, okay? Now it's a number 3, but you can go back to number 1. You can just add on. Find the composition of f of g. Oh, by the way, you can read this is like this is going to be read like this: f of g of x, f of g of x, f of g of x, like this. f of g of x. Can you read it? F of g of x. That's how you read this one. Okay, if I want to find f of g of x like this, here what we're gonna do? You're gonna plug it in. What is the one closest to x? Which one? Which one closer to x? G. You're gonna plug in g into f. Okay. So I'm gonna plug in g to x. Okay, ready? I'm gonna plug in this one. Going to be my input. Okay. This is g. I'm gonna plug in this g into whatever I see x on the f. Does it make sense? Say it again. That okay, plug in g to f. That means I'm gonna plug in the whole thing of g to wherever I see x on the f. So if I see x on the f, I replace it by g. Yeah. Kind of like you replace by number, but now you replace by the whole function. Very similar. So can you tell me what is that equal to? 5, yes, 5, and then 3. Wow, you guys got it. Great, good, you guys got it. Cool. I thought it's going to be like confusing. I don't know how to explain it, like because the other they did not go on the first try, so I need to draw something, but you guys got it. Good. So you're gonna plug in the whole function of the closest one to x. Plug into wherever you see x on the other one. So now can you simplify this? Can you just like heat it up? You're gonna distribute this, right? So 5x times 10. Yeah. Right? Do you agree? All right. Now can you find me what is g of f of x? So what is the closest one to x? F. So you're gonna plug it in the whole. You're gonna look in the whole f to whatever you see x on the g. Okay. So can you tell me what do I need to write? No. What do I need to write? Now I plug in the whole f into x on the other function. What is it equal to? 5x plus 2. Good. So I see x right here. I'm going to replace it by the whole function f. That means 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. Does it make sense? Yeah. Ask me any question. If you have any question, ask me. And do you see that f of g of x is different from g of f of x? They're different. So remember that. These two are different. The order matters. So this and this, they are different. This is the symbol for difference. Oh, wait. So you got this one very easy. I'm going to use in the same symbol as well, like this one. Okay. 5 f of g of x and g of f of x. Okay. Let's try Orlando. What you gonna do? So what is the one closest to x? G, right? G is closest to x. So you're gonna plug in the whole g into what? Into f. Whatever you see x, you're gonna replace by the whole thing here. So it's gonna be. Can you tell me what is this equal to? X squared, 10 squared, right? That's been 10 squared because now you replace by 10. Right? The gx is 10, so you're gonna replace by whatever cx on the fx, you're gonna replace by 10. So 10 squared minus 2 times 10. Yes? So what is that? 100 minus 20 is 80.
It's EFX.
Yeah.
Wow. It's basically.
But change this to H. To yeah. What does matter? Okay, let's do F. Last one is kind of tricky, so let's say who's the lucky one? Guadalupe Montano. Congratulations. All right, it's a little bit tricky here. I help you. What you gonna do? So which one is closer to X? F. You're gonna plug in the whole F to G, right? So this whole F is this. You're gonna plug in G. But where do you plug it in? There's no X on the G. So where do you plug it in? Where? Huh? No, you don't add it. You just plug it in, but you don't have no way to plug it in. So what you don't do? No, not distribute. What? No. Like I apply X over here to plug it in this whole thing, but there's no X. What do you think? What do you think his answer is?
Nothing.
I got your idea that no solution, but what there's solution. It's just no, this is a new thing. So just voice any answer you think.
Factor?
Huh?
Factor?
Fraction?
Factor.
Factor. What do you mean factor? The factor out? No. Is it going to be ready in standard form? Just like in order? No. What do you think? I want to plug this whole thing into whatever X I see here, but there are no X. So can I plug it in? No. So what do I have? Just 10. Whatever the input is, the output is over 10. Do you agree? Because the output is say this function is 10, no matter what its X is. So no matter you have input, you put in that, the output is still 10. So that's 10. The 10. Okay, that is symbol number 4, right? So this is symbol number 5, and then we're done with part 2. Part 2 is just wrapping. Is look at the wrap really fast. You not need to wrap. You just need to look at the wrap and tell me the point and the number. So this is 5. This is 4, right? 4, but it's the same as number 2. You can just add on. Yeah.
How would that work?
Which one?
Like, if you told G of 8.
Oh, what about H? You
Yeah.
want? Okay. Let's try to do G of H of X. Very good. Very good. What is G of H of X? Maria. What is G of H of X? What is the closest to X? To X? H, right? So you're gonna break this whole thing into G. Oh, G again. So what is the answer? 10. 10. What about if I change this to F? What is this then? Let's do F. If I plug it in here to here, what do I have? If I plug it in the whole H into F, right? The whole H is this. I'm gonna plug it in here. Whenever I see X, I replace this by the whole thing. So can you read to me what is this? Very good. Very good. Minus. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. So this is going to be 36 over X squared. And then, right, 6 squared. You also need to distribute the square to everything inside. So here to here, and then here to here. Let me go very slow here. It's going to be 6 squared over X squared. And then minus 2 times 6 is 12 over X. So 6 squared is 36 over X squared minus 12X. That's the answer. Yes? Any questions?
Can you just write and jump right together?
Yeah, you can, I just like very clear here. Just so you know, maybe, some of you understand why it's that. You want to do more about this or you get this? Do you get this? If you got this, we can move to the next part. But if you want to do more exercise, one more assemble like this, then we can practice. What do you think? One more? Sure, yeah, do one more. No, it's good. It's good to the math. The more you practice, the better you are. All right. Brian. Yeah. G of f of x. Which one you plug into which one?
You're plugging in F into D.
Yeah, you plug it in F into G. Very good. So F is this whole thing, right? You're gonna plug it into G. So wherever I see X on here, you plug it into this. So tell me what do I write? You plug it in the whole thing here into the X of G.
Yeah.
Wherever I see X, you place like this. So what is it equal to?
X squared.
Uh-huh.
Can I do it on the board?
Plus.
No, because I want to do it on the board. Because my mind is like this.
Okay, good. I wrote your whole class, so I'm gonna help you. So plug in the whole thing here. You can do with your paper. Try to do with your paper. So you're gonna plug in the whole thing here, plug into X here. So it's gonna be X squared plus 3X plus 2. Right? This is now plug in X here. And then what do we have left? Plus 2. Yeah? Are you still with me? Yeah? I plug it in the whole F right here into the G. Whatever I see X on the G, I plug it, replace it by this whole function. So this whole X become X squared plus 3X plus 2. And then I have plus 2 outside. It's from here. This 2 from here. Yeah? So this 2 is from here. So you know.
You have to put the parentheses.
Well, you don't need to. I just put parentheses so you understand this is come as a whole for this. Yeah. So plus 4, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, let's assemble for this part. Christopher, Chris. Which one you gonna plug into which one? H plug into F. Very good. So H is this, right? I'm gonna plug it into F. So here, whenever I see X, I'm gonna replace by 3X. So tell me what to write. Tell me what to write. 3X squared? Right? Correct? Correct? Because X now replace it by 3X. This whole thing here gonna replace to into X. So I have 3X squared. What next? Plus. If you got this, then you graduated. Then you got this part. Huh? What next? 3 times 3X, yes, plus the left one, 2, right? Yeah. Thank you, Jasmine. No.
I don't know.
All right. What are you gonna do with this? The power.
I know what you have to do, but
Oh, okay. 3 square is 3 square is 6. Okay, you distribute the power, right? So 3 square, x square, 3 square is 9. Very good. 9x squared. What is 3 times 3x? 9x. 3 times 3 is 9. 9x, right? Plus 2. So 9 squared plus 9x plus 2. That's the answer.
no, simplify this.
We gotta simplify. There's nothing we can simplify. Yeah. Right? This is x squared, this is x, this is no x.
I thought we just 9.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see that.
All right, any question for this part? So we're done with this part. Yes, question. Oh. Okay, Next one you need to do on the projector is better. So instead of give you the function like this, I give you the graph, okay? But on the graph you can tell the number. This is way easier than this. Way easier than this. So don't be freaked out when you see the graphing. Look at this. Maybe for example number A, I will connect you to number A and you can try by yourself. F plus G of 2. So what I'm going to do is going to be equal to F of 2 plus G of 2. So I'm going to find these 2 points, I add them together, okay? What did F of 2 mean? That means X equal to 2. This means X equal to 2. And you're going to find what is Y. So F is here, F is 2 is here. Okay, so 2 is here, right? X is 2 is here. So what is Y? Y is 2. So F of 2 is 2. This one is 2. This whole thing is 2. And now plus, what is T2? So T right here, 2 is right here. Where is 2 then? Where is 2? -1. Yeah? So you find the x, equal to that number, and you're gonna find what is y at that number. So x here is 2. So and then you're gonna see where the graph at 2. So graph right here, so that means the y value is -1. Or you can do this too. You find x is 2, just write down the point is 2, 2, right? Then y is 2. Y is 2. We want to find the y. So T2 is what? T2 is, so this point is 2, -1. T2 is -1. -1. What is 2 plus -1? 1. That's your answer. So this is equal to 1. Does it make sense? You find the point on the graph. Instead of you calculate it, you compute it, you plug it in. No, you don't need to plug in anything. Look at the graph and you find it. Next one. I will do more next one. So you can get better sense of it. G minus h. So that means I want to find G at -2 minus h as -2. Okay? G. I look at the G. I look at the G at -2. Okay, where's -2? -2 right here. G -2 right here, right? So I want to find what is the y for -2. Right here. What is the y? What is the y? 1. So this is 1. Minus, okay, h of -2. H is here. -2, where's -2? Okay, this is -2. So we'll find where the graph is. Oh, the graph right here. That's a -2. What's the point? -4. So minus -4. What is 1 minus -4? That is 1 plus 4, right? Negative become positive. Yeah? Too fast? Okay. Alright. I'm doing the B. Okay, let me do it again. I want to ask you what is G minus H at -2? That's the same thing as you want to find G at -2 minus H as -2. Yes. Right. Exactly what you need to find. You find a -2 on the graph and find me what is the y value. What is the y value? So -2 G, right? G, so look at G. So this is the graph G right here. -2. This is the x. So where is the x equal to -2? Where is the x equal to -2? Right here. Correct? So this is -2. You want to draw them that cut the graph. You want to draw them until you hit the graph. And then you find what is the y at that. Or you can write out this point. This point is -2, 1. The y value is 1, right? Like this means you find the y. So this means find y when x equal to -2. That's what this means. You're gonna find y when x equal to -2. Does it make better sense now? Yeah? Okay. So now this is 1. This is 1. Minus h at h of -2. Can you do it for you? Can you do it for me? -2. Where's -2? X -2 right here, right? So I'm gonna draw until I hit the graph. Oh, I need to go down to hit it. Okay, hit this one. Okay, now I'm gonna find what is y. Y is -4. So 1 minus 2, and this one is -4. So 1 minus -4, that is 1 plus 4, because my negative and negative become positive. 1 plus 4 is 5. Yeah? Let's do one more. Let's check this. Let's do the D. Let's do the D. Can I erase this or? Okay. So that means just find the y when x equal to the number that you get. So g times h at 4, that means g at 4 times h as 4. Now, I just split them. Into two things. So I can look at the graph. This is multiplication, right? G times h at 4. So I just split them into g of 4 and times h as 4. Yeah? Now we're gonna find what is g for. Look at the g. Okay, g here, where 4? Where x is 4. So x is 4 right here. Okay? And then I'm gonna draw until I hit the graph. Oh, the graph right here. And then I'm gonna find what is the y. Oh, y is 1, right? 1. So this is 1. Good? Are you still with me? Yeah? Okay. You better quiet, now I'm scared. Alright, h4. I look at the h. 4, that means x is 4. So x is 4 here. Okay, here. Now I'm gonna draw until I hit the graph. I need to go up to hit it. Okay, hit this one. Okay, now what is y? 2. Yeah, so 2. So what is 1 times 2? 2. Yeah, that's it. Is it faster than here? A lot faster. You just look at the graph. Good? Can I erase it? Yeah? Let's do the composition here. Which one you gonna plug into which one? Yeah. Yeah. Which one you plug into which one? F to G, right? The closest to 3 is F. You're gonna plug in F to G. Here, how you wanna do it? You're gonna plug in F to G, so I'm gonna find F first. What is F3? F is here. Okay, F3, I'm gonna find X is 3. Oh, X is 3 is here, right? I'm gonna see where it hit the graph. You need to go up. It hit the graph right here, and what is the Y? Y is 4, right? So this F3 is 4. F3 is 4. Alright, so now I need to find G4, not G3 or no more. Because F3 is already 4. Now I need to find G4, not G at 3. Does it make sense? Yeah? Now I need to find G4. Where is G4? Okay, just look at the graph. G here, 4, or 4 right here. Okay, I need to go up to hit the graph. Yes, I hit the graph. And then I find what is Y. Y is 1. So G4 is 1. That's the answer. You basically don't need to write like this, like me. You can basically look at the graph and you can find it. Oh, F3 is 1, F3 is 4, and then F4 is 1. Okay, answer is 1. You can do that too. Yeah, you can do that too. You can see it. 4 is F3. Okay, I asked you to find the composition of G of F of 3. Because F is the closest 1 to 3, so I'm gonna find F3 first. F3, look at this. 3 is right here, and then I go up to hit the graph, and hit the graph right here, and then I'm going to find the Y. The Y is 4, so that's why it's become 4. And now find G4. G4, okay, graph G is here. I need to find G4 when x equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, x equal to 4 in here. I need to go up to hit the graph and then go this side to find Y. What is Y? 1. Yeah, good. Last one here. Can you do it and let me know what did you find? So I can make sure that you understand it. Huh? Yeah, do on the board. Whatever you want. Give me the answer when you find it. Find for me f of g of 0. Raise your hand if you find it. You can look at the graph, basically look at the graph. Or you can work on the board. Okay. Let me know if you have the answer. Wait. Hold on. Okay. You're done? F of G of 0. What do you need to find first? That is the thing. Which one is closest to? Show your hand to the answer. Show your hand so you can see the answer. Well, close, okay. Close.
You guys got -4, right? No, like on the dot.
Raise your hand if you have an answer. I have 2% got it right. What answer? F of G of 0.
Yeah, so because G to 0 is -1, and you have to plug that into F.
So what do you
F
answer?
converts to -1, so now you have to find F.
These are like the dots.
So to the F.
F1, I got 4, and then
F
G1, G and 0, I got -1. And F1, I got -4. That's the answer. You don't need to lie, because you already
So
got
you
it.
find, so
But you don't
negative
lie.
1 is X,
You're not allowed to lie.
right, and the check.
This is not calculated.
Okay.
This is based on
Do you see where
Oh,
X
yeah,
is?
no. I don't know if you can say like the Y.
I got a third person right.
Okay.
So then, what is F? Yeah, okay.
Okay, I get it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so
I'm falling asleep, that's why.
Oh, you need to go all the way.
So first,
Find G
first
0
you find the answer to the closest, and then what is your answer?
And then you plug it into that one, yeah. I'm so tired.
I got 3% got it right. Good job. 4%. Yeah, good.
I gotta explain to me later.
Alright, the answer is. No one's still working on it, right? The answer is -4. Why is -4? Okay. F of G of 0. Which one is closest to 0? G, right? So I'm gonna find what is G0 first. And then I'm gonna find F later. So what is G0? Okay, look at the G. G0, okay, 0 right here. I'm gonna go where I hit the wrap. Okay, I hit the wrap right here. What is Y? -1, right? So I replace this one by -1. F of -1. Now I need to find F of -1. Correct? F, okay, look at F right here. -1, oh, -1 right here. X is equal to -1. And now I'm gonna go so that I can hit the wrap. I'm gonna hit the wrap right here. And what is Y? -4. So that is the answer is -4. Yeah? You got it now? That would be it. That concludes our lesson today.